Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas Messerschmidt. Today again I'm talking to GPT-3, the cousin of ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how you can chat with GPT as well. Now, GPT-3 is the programmable version of ChatGPT. And in the Python program below, in the description, you'll see this will allow you to verbally talk to GPT and have him reply back to you with your own computer's voice. By the way, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. And without any further delay, let's talk to GPT. Hello there.
Hi there.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay.
I'm glad to hear that.
What are you up to?
Just talking to you.
Do you like talking to me?
Yes, I enjoy speaking with you.
Well, I have to go now.
Goodbye.
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 And that ends the conversation. Just a little sample, and now you too can do exactly what I just did. Just use my code and set up your own GPT and start chatting. Goodbye now.